Start. Having heard the learned counsel for the respective parties, the question which is posed for the consideration of this court is whether, in the facts and circumstances of the case narrated herein above, the respondent shall be entitled to the appointment on compassionate ground. The undisputed facts are that on the death of the deceased employee, father of the respondent, who died in harness, the mother of the respondent was given appointment on compassionate ground. The mother of the respondent died on 28/3/2006. Died thereafter the elder married sister of the respondent made an application for appointment on compassionate ground, which came to be rejected in the year 2011 on the ground that, being a married daughter, she cannot be said to be dependent on her deceased mother, and therefore she is not entitled to the appointment on compassionate ground. That after a period of 7 years from the date of death of her mother, again the respondent, being the younger married daughter, made an application for appointment on compassionate ground in the year 2013. In light of the aforesaid facts, the question posed is required to be considered. While considering the issue involved in the present appeal, the law laid down by this court on compassionate ground on the death of the deceased employee are required to be referred to and considered. In the recent decision, this court, in the case of Director of Treasuries in Karnataka, had occasion to consider the principle governing the grant of appointment on compassionate ground. Court has summarized the principle governing the grant of appointment on compassionate ground as under that the compassionate appointment is an exception to the general rule that no aspirant has a right to compassionate appointment. The appointment to any public post in the service of the state has to be made on the basis of the principle in accordance with Articles 14 and 16 of the Constitution of India. Appointment on compassionate ground can be made only on fulfilling the norms laid down by the state's policy and or satisfaction of the eligibility criteria as per the policy. The norms prevailing on the date of the consideration of the application should be the basis for consideration of claim for compassionate appointment as per the law laid down by this court in catena of decisions on the appointment on compassionate ground. For all the government vacancies, equal opportunity should be provided to all aspirants as mandated under Articles 14 and 16 of the Constitution. However, appointment on compassionate ground offered to a dependent of a deceased employee is an exception to the said norms, the compassionate ground is a concession and not a right. Full stop.